Smoking hot out here. We're gonna heat things up even more with the beautiful grilled trout. But first, a little roasted peach mash to go along with it. Just deep hitting them. Real simple process. Get your finger in there, dig them out. This peach mash, real simple. Consists of peaches, onions. Keep them intact because these are going straight on the grill. Show you how to do that. Big chunks. Keeping that core, keeps everything together. Extra virgin olive oil. A little S&P, a little salt, a little pepper. That is our mash. Now all we need is our trout. Here she comes. How about a big round of applause? Jenna, very nice. There she is. Give me some. That is a beautiful steelback lake trout. Look at that. Gorgeous. We don't have to do a lot to that. Believe me, you don't. A little more extra virgin olive oil, a little S&P. Beautiful steelback lake trout. Gorgeous for the grill. Don't be worried about heading over there. A lot of people get real apprehensive when they go to the grill with a piece of fish because they're worried about it breaking up all. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you how it's done. We're headed to the grill now. Let's oil up this grill. We got medium heat here, 5 steamboats, count with me. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats, 4 steamboats, 5 steamboats. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna lay down our peaches for our roast peach smash. Got our onions, look at those beautiful onions. Huh? Got the core still hanging tight right there. Oh, look at that. That is looking good. Gonna put the flesh side down for about 2 minutes time. About 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes with the flesh side down. Show you a little trick. A little salt here. It's gonna sprinkle on the back of the skin here. That will assure us of getting a nice crispy back, and it'll stop that skin side from sticking to the grill, which we don't want. Go ahead and peek. Oh, that's nice. Okay, about halfway through, 2 minutes through. Peaches and onions are ready to go. Fish is about ready to go. It's almost time to plate these. We are so close to eating. What you got over there?
I got some nice grilled peaches.
Oh, yeah. We've been doing the peaches on the grill. I got the onions going over here.
Oh, yeah. These skins are slipping off so easy. Check it out.
Doing all right?
Oh, yeah. I'm just going to cut these in half.
Yeah, you cut those in half. You can start putting them in the bowl there. I'm going to chop these up just a little more.
Nice.
Onions in there. You want to mash that up for me a little bit?
I would love to. Excuse me.
Beautiful.
Nice.
I'm liking the teamwork. While you're doing that, I'm going to add some sage in here.
Okay.
Put it all in there. A little sherry vinegar. A little tartness along with the sage.
Yeah. It's really good, actually.
Oh, this is my favorite part. Orange juice. Nice. Does that look great or what, huh? That's juicy too, isn't it? A little S&P, and we are so close. Jenna, we need a little trout up here go along with this peach smash. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that looks good. Beautiful.